like it. Hey, thank you for clicking my video. So I'm gonna get straight into it because I'm in a rush first of all. So this is supposed to be a quick little video. But my name is Misha. I've been a YouTuber for a little over a year. My channel just got approved for monetization like a couple of months ago, literally. So I'm happy. I'm super happy. I got 1K subscribers finally. I need to do like a little turn up or something because that's big. Like, I really started my YouTube from the bottom. Okay. So I'm about to show y'all how to apply a glueless wig. I'm so thirsty. Even though it's glueless, you still gotta apply it. So it'll look like this. This is a handmade wig from me. Touch Styles is my hair name. I created this wig. It's a fringe cut bang, blunt cut, handmade. I already cut the lace front off of like the part where the bangs was because it was hard for me to like advertise the wig without. It was hard for me to advertise the wig with the lace being right under the bang. So I just cut that part off, and then I left the lace on the two sides. But if your wig is brand new, this part is gonna have lace too. Like the whole thing is gonna be filled with lace. Normally you would apply makeup to your wig if you're doing a wig install. I mean, normally you would apply makeup to your wig cap if you were doing a wig install. But since this is glueless and it's a fringe bang and I already kind of tinted my lace, I'm not gonna do that. So what I am gonna do, where's my scissors? Hold on one second. Well, I normally use better scissors, but that's all I got right now. I don't know where my scissors are. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off the wig first. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it just because. Let me use a clip. You might want to use a clip when you're cutting your lace because obviously sometimes it be in the way, just like it is for me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip both sides of the bang. I clipped both sides of my bangs just to get it out the way, and now I'm about to cut off the lace. I'm cutting off the lace because I don't need it. You gotta cut off the lace. Ooh, these are not good scissors. I should not use these scissors to cut this lace, but whatever, I'm gonna do it anyway, obviously. So yeah, just cut as close as you can without cutting the hair. And even if you do cut like a little, why do I got the wig all the way up there? Because I'm sitting on the floor, so I gotta like hold it up like this so the wig don't be touching the floor. It's okay if you cut like a little bit of the hair because that's really what you gotta do in order for it to look natural. So don't trip. Just make sure you don't cut off too much to where it's like, oh my god, I messed up my lace. You know. So you're just gonna keep continuing to cut it off. And you don't want to cut straight across. If you do cut straight across, you gotta make sure you cut literally all the extra lace off. But you want to make sure you cut like in a wiggle so that way it don't look wiggy. The girl got 1K subscribers. I cannot believe it. And I'll get monetization. Like, it's so crazy. That is so crazy because, oh my god, I used to always, as a kid, I always wanted to be a YouTuber. Like, who don't want to be a YouTuber? Now that I'm like able to actually, you know, be a YouTuber, I'm like really trying to do what I really want to do and start actually moving how I want to move, you know, and throwing up the content. I'm always just making excuses, I guess. But I'm just so happy. Like, that's a huge accomplishment, and I definitely got to celebrate that. But thank you so much for the people that have subscribed to me, even though I'm a small channel. The people that have subscribed and commented and, you know, continue to watch every video. Like, every video that I post, the people that's really supporting me and the people that's like really behind the reason behind why I'm really like able to promote and able to actually monetize and get paid from YouTube and even get a YouTube check and have a YouTube payment account. You know what I'm saying? Like, the people that's really the reason why I'm doing that. I hope I said that right. That's really dope. I really appreciate that. Like, I'm about to really start being Touch Styles. I'm about to really start doing my YouTube stuff. That's big. I have not got paid from YouTube yet, but I can see like how much I'm making off of YouTube. But I don't want it to be about the money, you know. I want it to be about me actually being a YouTuber, and I want to actually have like a movement on YouTube, something that people like look forward to doing and like want to come back to and learn from and grow from, and, you know, give me tips and like help me better myself, like actually turn me into a brand. Like, I am a brand, not to say because can't nobody turn me into a brand, but I'm saying like actually help build my brand, actually help, you know, make my brand get up and move and grow. And the reason my brand doing what it's doing, you know, give my brand its brand, if that makes sense. sides, you know. Okay, so I'm done cutting the lace off. If my wig did not have bangs, I wouldn't have my wig cap all the way down here because it would be down too far. So I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. Like I said, the inside of the wig has a strap that I put in there on myself, by myself, period. All right, so you're going to go ahead and put the wig on. The first thing I'm going to do, since it has a strap, you're going to put the strap behind your head like that. And I cut my hair. I got a short haircut, so this wig is really way too big for me. Like, way, 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 way too big. Y'all, okay, so hold on, let me get it on. It's not on. It's not on. Oh, it's not on. Okay, wait a second, because it's not on. Girl, period. This wig give me a I'm like, I'm in a church and this wig, it ain't even on yet. Right, let me twist it on. Don't look yet. Don't look yet. Let me put it on. Alright, so right now the wig is completely glueless, meaning like nothing is glued down. But as you can see, my sides are still like flabby, so I can't really wear it glueless. I mean, I can, but if I want to wear it glueless, I need to make sure I pull it off. Try to pull my wig down as much as possible, you know, not that much. As much as possible so it can really stretch, you know, so it can really stretch. And now I'm about to show y'all how the wig fits, you know. Let me pull my ears out because the wig is like sitting over my ears. So I'm about to show you how the wig fits and sits and stuff without nothing, like literally just glueless. Girl, this wig is the pops. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Period. This wig, sis. Okay. Alright, so in order for it like not to flap up and stuff, for it to be flat on me, I have to make sure I pull it out as forward as much as I can. You know, like when you're getting your frontal done, you're supposed to hold your frontal like this anyway. So when I pull up this wig, I'm trying to make sure, you know, I pull it like I'm getting it done, so that way it can try to sit as flat as it can. This is how the wig sits glueless. So you know, it's like I have to really like be really gentle and place it how I want it to for it like not to move. And I could cut it some more, but I don't feel like it. So I have to be, I should cut it some more so it could sit right there because that's too big. Alright, I still gotta cut some hair. See, I'm so lazy. Like, I love that I'm a hairstylist, but it's irritating because since I'm naturally a hairstylist, I'm so lazy with my hair. Like, you just see how I just really didn't want to cut it. I'm really only cutting it for y'all, but I didn't even want to cut that extra lace. Like, that's why I don't like being a hairstylist, because I'm so lazy. Like, I nail my customer hair or somebody else's hair. I nail their hair, but when it come to me, I nail my hair. It'll be nailed, but it'll be lazily nailed. You know, I'm gonna nail it just enough to where I can wear it and be cute, and everybody can be like, ooh, that's cute, that's cute. But when I'm doing everybody else's hair, I'm trying to figure out so funny. I try to figure out every little thing. I try to fix every little thing. I don't care if it's a little flyaway. Like, I don't care. I try to fix everything. But y'all see how it's sitting right now? Since it's glueless, it's already not going to sit all the way flat because it's glueless, so it's nothing really holding these sideburn pieces down. Unless you're a huge pro at doing the glueless wig, I applaud you, because that's how I'm trying to get. Right now, I'm not like that though, because I'm still learning. But I need to put like a little glue or something down here. You can wear it without glue, and I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look. I'm gonna cut it. There's people out here that can probably get your frontal wig glueless on there like it's glued now without it being. Right now I can't do that. I'm still learning to cut this side. I'm gonna cut this side so that when it lay down, it's not like sitting on top of my ear causing it to lay down even more. I'm gonna cut it in the mirror, okay, because I can't see. Okay, this is how my wig is sitting without any glue. Like, I probably should have left that piece. I'm always ruining something. This is how my wig sits without the glue. So I feel like if I wanted to pull my edges back, it would kind of be hard because it's not all the way down. But if you want to just wear it like this, that's totally fine since it's this type of cut. I need a comb. I think I need to put my bang up a little. Pull it up some. I don't know. Whatever. something don't look right. I don't think I need to cut something right there. Wig was actually for sale and nobody bought it yet, and I was like, I need my hair done, so I went ahead and kept it. Okay, so I actually had to use boho glue instead of the yellow stuff because it's not acting right. I don't know. I don't got time for it. I guess I didn't put it on patiently. I don't got time for that. So I'm gonna use the real glue. And I know y'all probably like, well, why are you using glue if you say it's glueless? And I'm gonna say I'm using the glue because my sideburns is not sticking down without the glue. So the wig is glue. I gotta put a little bit more glue. You're gonna see me looking in the mirror because I can't see, obviously. Alright. And now I'm gonna put glue on the other side. I didn't even tint this lace, actually. I tinted the part where the bang was, but I did not tint the rest of the lace, now that I think about it. I don't know, I probably shouldn't do that. Alright, this is my final look. I really like it. It's just this bang is irritating me. I don't know what I did, but the bang kind of irritated me in the middle, but it's really cute. It look good with the face mask on. Yes. Oh yeah, dog. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all, so thanks for watching my video. This is the end of my video. I feel like the wig turned out really cute. I could thin it out a little bit more off camera, but I gotta go because I gotta go to a little luau, so I don't really have time to thin it out. But this is how it looks. I really like it. It's cute. And I feel like the face mask is cute with the face mask too. It's my first time trying it, and I love it. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Comment down below which hairstyles y'all want me to try, and comment down below like some new hair products I can try, or some hairstyles that y'all want to see, some stuff like that. Y'all see the little middle piece I'm talking about in my cut that's irritating me? I told you I'm a perfectionist, so I really see it, and it's really bothering me, but it's okay. Be safe. Make sure you're wearing your face mask. So I just definitely want to go ahead and shout out my uncle for hooking me up with that beat. It actually goes to a song that I'm writing. You know, your girl want to actually do music a little bit. Yeah, it's a cool little beat. It's okay. You know, we still fixing it up and stuff. So I get it how I really want it. But I had heard this beat, and he literally did this from scratch and off the stuff I was telling him. So far it's cool, but we still got work to do on it. So that's why I'm not like using the beat for the song yet. So I just went ahead and put it in a YouTube video just to like get it out there and just to use it until I actually like fix it and stuff.